In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import a customer list into Xero software step by step. If you're moving from another accounting system, switching from spreadsheets, or just adding multiple customers at once, this method will save you a huge amount of time compared to entering them manually one by one. I'll also share a few important tips to help you avoid common import errors. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Xero tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top navigation menu. Click on Contacts and then select Customers from the drop-down menu. This will open your full customer list inside Xero. On the Customers page, go to the top right corner and click on the Import button. Xero allows you to import customer data using a CSV file, so before this step, make sure your customer list is saved in CSV format. If you don't already have a properly formatted file, you can download Xero's sample CSV template directly from the import screen. This is highly recommended, especially if this is your first time importing contacts. Using the template ensures your column headers match exactly what Xero expects. Now let's talk about a few very important formatting tips before uploading your file. First, do not change the header row in the CSV template. Xero requires the exact column names to correctly map your data. If you rename or delete headers, the import may fail. Second, make sure you have one customer per row. Each line in the spreadsheet should represent a single contact. Don't combine multiple customers into one row. Third, remember that the name field is required. Xero will not allow you to import a customer without a name. Even if you don't have full contact details, the name must be filled in. And finally, check carefully for duplicates. If a customer name is spelled slightly differently from an existing contact in Xero, the system may create a duplicate instead of updating the existing record. It's always a good idea to quickly review your customer list before importing. Once your CSV file is ready, click Upload File on the import screen and select your CSV document. After uploading, Xero will display a preview of your data. Carefully review this preview to make sure all columns are mapped correctly and the information appears in the right fields. If everything looks good, click Confirm Import. Xero will then process the file and import your customer list. The time this takes depends on how many customers you're uploading, but usually it only takes a few seconds. After the import is complete, you'll be redirected back to your customers list. Scroll through and verify that your contacts have been added correctly. You can click on a few customer profiles to double-check details like email addresses, phone numbers, and billing information. And that's it! You've successfully imported your customer list into Xero software. This is one of the fastest ways to set up your accounting system properly, especially when starting fresh or migrating from another platform. If this video helped you understand how to import a customer list into Xero, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Xero tutorials in 2026. I'll see you in the next video.